For the past decade, the laws of physics have been defied over and over again. Some have nailed it, failed it, faked it, or even made art of it. Thank you all for 10 years of more or less epic moments.
Who can say where the road...
This anniversary compilation was released to demonstrate the viral success of the original Epic Split. Obviously an extraordinary stunt that should be left to professionals. Don't try anything like this at home or anywhere else.